how to download WhatsApp Business on Android or iPhone. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you the easiest way to download and install the WhatsApp Business app on a mobile device. Without further ado, let's get started. Open Play Store on your Android device or App Store on your iOS device. Tap on the source icon at the bottom, then tap on the source bar. Type in WhatsApp Business and search for it. Select the first search result for WhatsApp Business. Tap on the install button. The WhatsApp Business app will begin downloading and installing on your device. Please note that the installation may take some time depending on your internet speed, so please be patient. Once the installation is complete, you can now use the WhatsApp Business app on your mobile device. Simply tap the open button. Give all the necessary permissions, then log into your account if you already have one, or sign up for a new account. After that, you will be all set to use the WhatsApp Business app. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to download and install the WhatsApp Business app on a mobile device. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.